Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused node project and obtaining an API key. Once done, enable the specific Maps APIs you need and restrict the key to your server or domain for safety. Make sure to install the official Google Maps Services client and put the key into an environment variable named Google API KEY. Now, write a minimal file that imports the client, reads process. env, Google API key, and makes a single geocode or directions call, so you verify connectivity and permissions immediately. You will implement the core request logic next. Use async/await with the Google Maps client so your code stays readable. Await client, geocode or client, directions, and inspect the response status. Once you have responses, parse the geometry and relevant fields, then normalize results for your app. Make sure to catch network and API errors, retry transient failures with exponential backoff, and add caching or batching to reduce quota use. Also, log request ID and timing to trace slow or failing calls later. You finish by deploying with secure environment variables and monitoring. Once deployed, validate endpoints, watch API quotas, and set billing alerts so unexpected costs don't surprise you. Make sure to implement graceful degradation when Maps returns 0 results or quota errors, and retry transient server errors a few times before failing. If things go wrong, check that your key restrictions match the calling origin. Mismatched referrer or IP restrictions are the single most common cause of authorization failures, so verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.